Hey, what is up guys, Tayo here, and in this video I'll be talking about the Apple Watch Series 6 and the Apple Watch SE. So if you're interested, sit back and relax. And this is actually my first video on the Apple ecosystem at large, so this should be a fun one. By the way, if you're new to this channel, welcome. We're on the road to 200 subscribers, and a sub from you, yes, you're watching this video, will be really cool. With that being said, I'll be talking about the specs, the features and the price and alternatives for Android users out there. With all that being said, let's get right into the discussion. Enjoy. Fun fact for you guys, I am a left-handed person, so all my wristwatches stay at my right hand, not at my left hand, because that would be weird. And yes, I use my left hand to write and my wristwatches stays at my right hand. I don't know if anybody cares about that, but I just felt like sharing it with you guys. The Apple Watch Series 6, being the latest smartwatch from Apple, should have been available for orders coupled with the Apple Watch SE since yesterday or thereabouts. Now, if you're an Android user and you don't have an iPhone, please don't even consider buying this device because it's not going to work. You won't be able to use it, though there is a way to work around this, but you still need an iPhone to do that. Okay, I'll just link the video in the description so you can check it out in case you want to try it out yourself. But mind you, it's not something worth looking into, but I'll still link the video in the description below. By the way, the Apple Watch Series 6 costs or starts at $399, and here are the features. Always on Retina display with a brightness of 1000 nits, Series 6 chip with a 64-bit dual-core processor, a blood oxygen sensor, electrical earth sensor, and a second-generation optical heart sensor, a blood oxygen app, new colors which are blue and red, and I absolutely love the blue color. Improved battery life for certain workouts and fast charging. Though it comes with no charging brick right out of the box, so if you'll be getting this, you buy a charging brick separately. And please don't buy a charging brick from people that are not certified to sell it. So buy from an Apple store or online. And if you buy online, don't buy from shady websites. Apple also released the more affordable version of their smartwatch, which is called the Apple Watch SE, which costs or starts at $279 for the GPS only model and $329 for the GPS plus cellular model. And fairly cheap. Now here are the features. Retina display with 1000 nits, however, is not always on. Series 5 chip with a 64-bit dual-core processor and an optical heart sensor only. Now here are the similarities between the Series 6 and the SE. 44mm or 40mm case size, Retina OLED display with a brightness of 1000 nits, 64-bit dual-core processor, optical heart sensor, noise monitoring, international emergency calling or emergency SOS, and fall detection. That is, it calls 911 if you happen to fall down, and by fall down I mean you actually injure yourself or maybe sprain an ankle or things like that. It will call 911 automatically for you. And does Nigeria even have any emergency number or something like that? Comment down below if Nigeria has any emergency number or anything like that, so I just know, and so we know the people that watch the video to this moment. It has a compass and an always on altimeter, water resistant up to 50 meters. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 and 32GB of storage. That's even more than some smartphones in 2020. And it also has 1GB of RAM. Lastly, it has 18-hour all-day battery life. So basically what you're losing if you get the Apple Watch SE is blood oxygen monitoring and ECG, and that's basically it. You can get the Apple Watch SE if you don't have enough funds to get the superior Series 6, and I don't think you should get the Series 6 if you are not going to even use all these extra features. You might as well just go with the Apple Watch SE. Anyways, there are other alternatives for those Android users out there like me. They are the Galaxy Watch 3 by Samsung, which is probably the best Android watch you can get, Amazon Fitbit, which specializes in health and fitness, TicWatch Pro, and the list goes on and on. So if you're interested in getting a smartwatch and you're an Android user, there will be a link to a video in the description where you will see different types of smartwatches that Android offers and the categories, so you know which is best. Like categories like fitness, all-rounder, style, performance, battery life. I'll link the video in the description so you check it out to know which is best for you. One more thing, please don't buy any Chinese brand smartwatch like the DZ09, the U8, the whatever they are called. Please don't even try buying it. You won't get any good feature like health monitoring and things like that. You only get maybe applications that won't even work, and you won't even get any storage or things like that. So don't even try buying any Chinese brand smartwatch. And I'm not hating them, I'm just telling you what's best for you and what I think is best for you though. So don't even try buying any Chinese brand smartwatch, please, for goodness sake, don't do it. And that's basically all for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, click on the subscribe button, or why not just click on the subscribe button. Like if you have been watching my videos since all these days and you have not subscribed, why not just subscribe? I'll be waiting for you. Okay, subscribe. Now you should have subscribed. The button should have turned gray. With all that being said, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Okay, no, peace.